In this video, we'll be creating a to-do list website using the Flask module in Python. But before we dive into the exciting coding journey, I want to share something with you. If you're planning to host your Python website or any other static or dynamic website, let me tell you about Spaceship. Spaceship offers incredible web hosting services with shared hosting plans starting at just $1.6 per month. Not only that, but they also provide a 30-day free trial so you can experience their services without any commitment. And if you're looking to buy a domain, Spaceship has got you covered too, with domain prices starting from as low as $0.4. Make sure to check out Spaceship using the link provided in the description or the pinned comment of this video. It's a great opportunity to get started with your web hosting and domain needs at an unbeatable price. Let's start coding. Open Visual Studio Code and create a Python file named todolist.py. First, we import the necessary modules from Flask, render template, request, redirect, and URL for. These modules help us create the web app, handle templates, process user input, and redirect users between pages. Then we initialize the Flask app by creating an instance of the Flask class and assigning it to the app variable. This sets up our application and allows us to define its routes. Next, we create a list called to-do items to temporarily store the tasks added by users. This list will act as our in-memory database, and it will hold all the to-do items until the application is running. To define the homepage, we use the app.root decorator and create a function called index. This function renders an HTML file named todolist.html and passes the to-do items list to it. This ensures that the tasks stored in the list are displayed on the web page. We then define a route for adding new tasks using app.route/add methods post. This specifies that the route accepts only post requests, which are typically used for form submissions. Inside the add to-do function, we retrieve the task entered by the user from the form using request a form get item. If the input is not empty, we append it to the to-do items list. Finally, the function redirects the user back to the homepage using redirect URL for index, ensuring the newly added task is visible. To allow users to delete tasks, we define another route. At app.root, delete int item red, which takes the index of the task to be deleted as a parameter. Inside the delete to-do function, we check if the provided item ID is valid by ensuring it falls within the range of the to-do items list. If valid, we remove the item from the list using del todo items item ID. After the task is deleted, the user is redirected back to the homepage so they can see the updated list. Finally, at the bottom of the file, we use the standard Python entry point, if name alls x o mainst, to ensure the app runs only when executed directly. We call app.run debug at true to start the Flask development server, enabling debug mode for easier troubleshooting during development. Now you have a fully functional to-do list application. In the next step, you'll create the to-do list.html file to complete the project. Before we proceed to show the final output, let me remind you again about Spaceship. If you're looking for reliable web hosting or affordable domains, Spaceship is the go-to solution. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. Host your to-do list website and enjoy. Once you've created the HTML file, run the script and open the local server in your browser. Add and delete tasks to see your to-do list in action. Congratulations, you've just built a complete to-do list web app using Flask. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Python projects. Happy coding!